I'm supposed to be talking now. Good. All right. What I'm going to cover real quick, and this is really, I want to do this as quick as possible. Batteries. Chassis or your coach batteries. Basically, what I've got is I've got 6 deep cell 6-volt batteries that they're paired up into series, and then they become 3 12-volt batteries that are now put together in parallel. So we've got one heck of a single battery. This is what I had originally. That was what I opened it up to, and I had a lot of fear when I was looking at it. I was trying to figure out, man, what am I going to do on this thing? Called around to a lot of folks trying to get estimates on replacing them, and I tell you the truth, I just kept running into people that looked at me with blank stares, or I actually had one outfit said, well, for $426 we'll replace them, and then you still have to buy the batteries. And I thought, wait a second, can't be that tough. YouTube, gosh, it's awesome. Went on, saw a couple of videos, but really I just wanted to clarify a couple of quick things. It's a no-brainer. It really is a no-brainer. 2 things: measure your batteries, make sure that these poles are going to be in about the same place, because these cables, these 3 here, are actually new for this battery set, because these poles were actually a little further out than what the old ones were. So anyway, not a big deal. I ended up paying $50 for these 3 cables. They were made up the same day. This whole process took me 2.5 hours. That included getting these 3 cables made up and put in. So $426, less $50, $375 is what I saved by doing it myself. Odds are the outfit that would have done it would have probably charged me for the cables anyway. Nothing against guys that do maintenance on these things, but they're busy, they don't have a lot of time. So anyway, started with looking at that. This is what we got now. I went to Batteries Plus, bought the deep cell batteries to put in. There you can see them. So what do? You got all these cables, you got all these lines running everywhere. Real simple. Make a little drawing just like that. Label your batteries. I don't care how you label them, A, B, C, D, but I would 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Label the front of the coach. So there you go. That's them. What I did, very simple. Take some masking tape out, wrap masking tape around it. Say this is battery number 5, the negative pole. Did that. Did the other end of it. Battery number 3, negative pole. Battery number 3, negative pole. Battery number 1, negative pole. Went around, even the little the power pulse. You know, it was labeled as well. I labeled everything. Leave your negative off until you're all done. The main negative that comes in, that would be this heavy cable here that came into battery number 1. So when they all came off, I didn't have to worry about it because they were all labeled. I knew exactly where they were going because I would go back to my sheet, and lo and behold, stuck everything back in. A couple things I did do. I did go ahead and paint some parts that had some corrosion, cleaned out the plastic tray that they sit in. Yeah, it's looking pretty dirty now, but this has been, gosh, 3 months, 2 months ago, plus 4,000 or 5,000 miles. On the Tiffin, they do have a chart here, which is also great to go to, but of course it doesn't handle all the pieces, and once again, that'd be great, but I'm going to say it again, label them. Just label them, and then you don't have to worry about it. And on top of that, lo and behold, wouldn't you know it, they put the plate on there, but when you're looking here and look at that, no, you got to twist it sideways. Anyway, if you like what we're helping you here, go ahead and push the subscribe button down below. And I'm David Nestor. I am David Nestor with Adventures Our Way. Subscribe. We'd love to have you come along with us. If you have any things you want to add to it, please do. Put it in the comments. Thank you so much. Happy batteries.